Hello everybody, my name is ScottCard and welcome to my lab. I've dedicated this channel to my students and anybody else interested in learning about CAD, EDA software, or electronics in general. With over 30 years experience in electrical, electronics, and mechanical design, all the way from inception right through to production, as well as project management, I offer a holistic view of how to marry all of these components to make a final product. My videos include tutorials on Autocad, Proteus, and electronics techniques, as well as materials and equipment that I use here around the lab. As always, I hope you find these videos helpful, and if you do, please give them a thumbs up. If you didn't, I'd love to hear from you. Your constructive criticism and feedback is absolutely essential to my workflow and improving my channel. All right. As always, thanks, and I hope you have a great day. Bye now.